And today, we're going to take a look at the robust hammer stapler. So, as you can imagine, the difference between a hammer stapler and a regular stapler is that with the hammer stapler, you can go much faster, compared to a stapler, which is quite hard to hold in your hand. And as I show you here, the advantage of using it is that it loads easily. Seeing an easy loading process on this type of tool is very important. And as you can see, it helps you work and reload quite quickly. Let's do a test to quickly show you how it works. Look at this. And as you can see, we're there quite quickly and already inserted into the wood. The mechanism itself is very easy to use. And as you can see, you need to apply a bit of pressure for it to work. But in the end, the job is well done. Alright guys, so, as usual, I hope this tool will be useful to you. And I'll see you next time.